In this video, I will compare Beehiiv versus Mailchimp and tell you which of these email marketing tools may be best for you and your needs. So I'll go for what exactly they do, who they are for, and ultimately which one I would pick. So first, Beehiiv is an email marketing tool, but on top of that, it also helps you with SMS marketing. You can set up automations, websites, social media marketing. You have AI marketing tools, content creation tools, and more. So really, it's kind of an all-in-one marketing platform for businesses. Beehiiv, on the other hand, is an email newsletter tool specifically for creators, but really anyone who wants to create a newsletter can use Beehiiv. On top of that, they also have a web builder, so you can build your digital home base, no coding required, and they have an ad network to basically find advertisers for your newsletter. On top of that, they have AI, automations, a referral program, boosts, subscribe forms, analytics, A/B testing. You can make your newsletter paid. You can get direct sponsorships, and again, you have the ad network. So their main difference is that Beehiiv is for creating newsletters and Mailchimp is for more general email and SMS marketing, such as sharing promo codes or sending abandoned cart emails and that type of stuff. In terms of pricing, you can see on Mailchimp, it depends on what you want to use. For example, if you want to use email and SMS and you have, let's say, 30,000 contacts and you want to have 5,000 SMS credits, then you can start with it for free, but after that it will be, for the recommended plan, 355 euros per month. Now Beehiiv has a free plan available for up to 2,500 subscribers, but the skill plan is probably worth it for most people. And if you have, let's say, under 10,000 subscribers and you want to pay monthly, it will be $87 per month. And here you have the referral program, paid subscriptions, AI, and more. So should you pick Beehiiv or Mailchimp? If you want to create a newsletter, I would go with Beehiiv. If you want to do more transactional marketing for a business, then I would go with Mailchimp. Now I will leave a link to Beehiiv down in the description where I can claim a 30-day free trial and you will get 20% off if you then also enter this code right here at checkout. So that concludes this comparison of Beehiiv versus Mailchimp. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.